The first thing that we are going to be looking at is how to make changes to pages. Now this does not apply to the home page, but the other pages of the website, it does apply to them. To go look at our pages, we click on All Pages, as would be natural, and we see that we have Contact Us, Meet Our Team, and then underneath Meet Our Team we have all of these sub-pages that have the individual people that are members of your staff. We have a few other product line pages and a sample page, and we can go on and we can see that we have another set of pages over here too about what we do. For any of these that you want to make changes to, let's say for instance you want to change some information about Ali Lamb's profile page here, then we click Edit, and we are now on this page here. Now this does not look identical to how it looks like on the actual website. You click Preview and you can see exactly how it will appear. But on this page here, we do get the basic idea of how things are laid out. Now if you want to make changes to text, it's as simple as any other word processing program out there. You go in and you change the text, and so you can say, now let me tell you a little bit about myself, and so we change it. Formatting is also very simple, just like any other word processing program. Select the text you want to change. You can do what you want with it. You can make it bold, you can italicize it, whatever you would like to do. All the normal functions of a word processing program are right up here, and it's called the kitchen sink. And maybe they don't reference it as that anymore on here, but that's what it used to be. Now if you come in here the first time and you don't have very many options, you only have one row, then you click this little thing here that says Toolbar Toggle, and then it will open up these other options down beneath it. Now we're not wanting to save these things, of course, but we can preview and see what it would look like if we wanted to make it this way. And it will refresh here, and now we see we have our orange here just like we wanted, or depending on your screen it might appear slightly more red. Whatever we want to do, it will show up on there. Now over here you see that we have our parent is Meet Our Team. Now that doesn't really affect anything on this particular website for how it appears to people who are visiting the website, but it makes it easy to organize it, to give a parent and a child to each one of these things. You don't have to worry about it if you don't want to. It's something that can make it a little easier to organize things though. The template is default. You could make it one of these other things, but for right now that's really all that you would want to be dealing with is the default template. You could set a featured image, but we don't have a search function in here and we don't have a blog, so it wouldn't be something that would make a difference. Now we have these SEO settings down here, and you can explore these more on your own if you would like to, and we can give you additional training if you're interested in knowing more about SEO. But right now that's not something you need to worry about too much. We have our layouts down here, and we have it set as we want to. You could always change it and do something else if you want to. Once you get to a point where you're ready to make changes, you click Update, and then they will take effect, and they will be live on the website right then and there. But we don't want to do that right now, and so we're just going to leave, and we will go back to our pages here, and no real changes have been made. They were only for us to see. They never took effect. Now let's say you want to add a new page. Then it's as simple as clicking Add New. And now we have a new page here, and we can enter in our title for the page, and we can call it a really cool page. Come down here, we can type in whatever we want, and we can format it as we want. Now you have the basic formatting options. You could also do some of these other things over here. You can make it header 1, and then that's set up to be a special look for this page already, and so then we can make it extra big type there like we want. You can explore these things as you please. Now let's say we wanted to add an image. Then right up here we have Add Media. And we have these images that already exist. If we don't already have the image that we're looking for, you come over here to Upload Files, select Files, and then you select your file just like any other time. In the media library here we already have some, so we're going to take Tara here and insert her into the page. We have a lot of options over here, and you probably don't really need to mess with them too much at this moment. Just click Insert into Page. We come over here and we realize, you know, this is really a little bit bigger than we want. We all love Tara, but maybe that's a bit much for this particular page. And so then we come back over here and we can click Edit, and we can make it a size just for this page. It's not changing it everywhere, just for this one page. And so we can change the size there, and we can say, you know, we want this right in the middle, and we can change the caption to something different if we want to. We click Update, and we want to preview this, see how it's looking. There we go, right in the middle, just like we were wanting to do there. This is fairly simple to use. Now, to get everything laid out just as you want, it will take a creative mind maybe, but as far as actually executing it, then it's not terribly complicated. It's something that you should be able to do. If you have questions, if you need help doing any of these things, then you can always ask us and we are ready to help. You can call, text, or email, and we will respond quickly, and we will be glad to take you through whatever process you're working on.